All right guys, welcome back to Fabbin Adventures. There's going to be a little change of plans here. I'm going to run you through some of the projects I got going on. Also what's happening here lately. The Zook is not getting 1.68V. I got a line on a reasonably priced 1.6 16 valve, so more horsepower. It's going to be way better. It's already out, harness, ECM, all that stuff's already out, so I just have to go pick it up for a reasonably good price. So I'll still be using the front and rear diffs out of this little unit here, but if anybody wants any parts from it, Alberta, BC, whatever, you just come and get them. Otherwise I'll be scrapping it. Once I get the parts out of it that I want, I'll probably, sell the motor and ECM and wiring and stuff. It seems to be in good shape. I'll sell it to somebody that wants it. But other than that, the Zook's gonna get a 1.6 16 valve as of lately. That's the plan, that's what's going into it. So let's just have a little walk over here. So I gotta dig my jet boat out of the snowbank, and I'm gonna bring that into the shop. There's an oil leak on the motor, so I'm gonna have to pull the motor and find that leak. I've got a driveline alignment issue with it, so I gotta address that. It is possible that I might be doing an engine upgrade on that too. We'll see, but we'll be bringing that into the shop here, and I'm gonna be changing the firewall and stuff like that on it, pulling the engine out, finding the oil leak, fixing that, hopefully fixing my alignment issue so she's ready to go for the spring. So follow me over to the shop here, and I'll give you a rundown what's going on in the shop. Stepped inside the shop, we finally got Buddy's jet boat out and pretty well done with any of the fabrication. So now I've got some room in the shop to carry on. So let's go see the next project I'm working on. So I started this a couple days ago, ripped the old stock bumper off. I got some 1 3/4 by 120 wall tubing. Gonna be building a tube bumper for this bad boy, mounting a winch for it. I've got let's come over here. I got a beauty deal on a 12,000 pound Warren winch. So that bad boy will be going on the Trooper. So we're going to be building a roof rack for this bad boy, the rear toolbox. Hopefully I'm going to try and do a dual battery setup on it, and building this front tube bumper, and we'll see about doing a rear bumper at some point in time. But yeah, so that's what's going on here lately at Fabbin Adventures. If you guys are liking this content and enjoying the weird projects that I get into, go ahead and please subscribe, share, like these videos, hit the thumbs up. We'll catch you guys next time.